Hi friends, it's Sheena. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, you're joining me in my upstairs area of my home in one of my favorite rooms. In this room, or as for today, I do want to go ahead and bring a little bit of Christmas cheer to this area. And as for this room, I do want to go ahead and change out the picture frames or the pictures in the picture frames in this room. As much as I absolutely love those pictures in the picture frames because it goes perfectly with the headboard, but I do want to bring a little bit of a Christmas cheer in the space. So I do have these beautiful pictures that I've purchased years ago from Desenio. So I do want to go ahead and do a little bit of a switch out. I also do have these really cute little wreaths that I do want to add to the door. I think they're just the cutest little thing. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to the door. And also for the nightstand, I do want to go ahead and add these beautiful little Christmas cones that I've purchased from one of my favorite stores to this nightstand. I think it would look really cute. I did went ahead and packed away all my little fall decor that I had on the nightstand. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. I absolutely love them. And of course, they do light up, and I cannot wait to turn them on tonight and bring on that Christmas glow. Changing out these pictures. Oh, I absolutely love these pictures in these frames. I really don't want to change them, but I am. Absolutely love this already. So let's see. I hope it goes with the room. But let's just pop this on the wall here. I actually think that it looks really nice. So let's change out the other one. Okay, here goes the next one. Pop that there. As for the nightstand, I'm going to go in and add these cute little Christmas cones. On this side. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful ribbon. It's velvet that I did purchase from Amazon. I'm just going to use it to kind of hold the wreath on the door, kind of something like this. I'll make sure it looks better than this. So friends, this is what the room is looking like after a few minor changes. So all I did was I went in, of course, and changed out the prints to something a little bit more Christmassy. So I add those beautiful prints there. I also went ahead and switched out the lamps, the base to the previous ones that I've had. So I did that. I also went ahead and add those cute little Christmas cones on the nightstand. So again, nothing major, just a few new changes. And I've also added the wreath on the door, the cutest little wreath. Absolutely love it. So this is it, friends, for this room. Now we're moving on to the other guest bedroom. So, friends, welcome back to this cute little pink room in the house. I do want to go ahead and switch out a few things. For example, the pictures in the picture frames, I do want to go ahead and switch those out. And I do have some lovely prints that I do want to share with you. For example, this gorgeous one right here. I mean, how pretty is this? It is so gorgeous. So I'm going to be using this one. I do have quite a few options here. So these I did purchase from Shein. I love getting a lot of my prints from there because they're just so inexpensive. I also have this one. I mean, how cute is this? It is so lovely. Honestly, I have quite a few options here. I don't know which one I'm going to choose. So I have that one. Let's see this one. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at this. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So I think this one I'm going to put over here. Yeah, I'm going to put this one over the headboard. I also have a few little accessories that I do want to add in here. I mean, how cute and sparkly is this gingerbread house? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I also have this little pink pastel color tree that I do want to add to the dresser in here. I am going to go ahead and do the same thing as I did in the previous guest bedroom and add the sweetest little wreath to this door right here. I think this is just so sweet. So I'm going to add this to the door, and yeah, I think that's going to be it for this room. Again, I'm keeping it quite simple. Just a few Christmas accessories, and yeah, that's it. No stress, okay? All right, so first things first, I'm going to start with the wreath. Okay, so the sweetest little wreath is now on the door. Absolutely love that. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch out the pictures in these picture frames. So friends, this is what the picture is looking like in the picture frame. I absolutely love this. It is so pretty and just my favorite. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there. Absolutely love that. So as for this dresser, I do have a picture over on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out the pictures in, or the picture in this picture frame thing. Really cute for the season. For the dresser, I'm not quite sure which one I do want to add, but I love this one so much. This is what this one is looking like. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love all these prints. They're just so pretty. Friends, I'm just gonna add this to the dresser right here. And oh my gosh, I love this so much. Love, love, love all the little pinks. They're just so pretty. So friends, welcome back to the primary. As you can see, I did went ahead and put up my tree. In this room, I always have a Christmas tree in the primary room. I especially love this tree because I do have the option to dim it all the way down, which just brings that really cozy vibe to this room. I did went ahead and pop on some of these transparent glass bubbles, which I'll bring you a little bit closer and show you. So I did went ahead and do that. I also went ahead and add this beautiful wreath to the door. I've had this wreath for ages, literally. So I just went ahead and brought it down and hung it on the door. It's kind of a coral kind of wreath, which I just love. It's very much given Florida vibes in for Christmas time. So I absolutely love that. So first thing first, what I want to do, I did went ahead and borrow the lamps from the dining room and I brought them up here. I do want to test them out in this room because I do have a different lamp that I'm using down there right now. So let me just go grab the lamp. So friends, this is the gorgeous lamp that I will be adding to my nightstand. I did went ahead and switch out the ones that I do have. I really don't like them anymore. So I am borrowing the ones from the dining room to use in this room for this month. So let's see. Can I just say, I love lamps that do have an enormous base. They just look so, so good. So, yeah, this is what the lamp is looking like. I absolutely love it in here. Also, I'm just going to go ahead and add a few pieces. And these are the little trees that I did found at one of my favorite decor stores. Whatever I do on this nightstand, I'm doing the same thing on the other one and pop this little Christmas tree in the little picture frame here. Friends, so as for baubles, I do have some really gorgeous ones that I do want to share with you. These ones, they are glass, so I have to be super careful with these. The ones in the downstairs area, those are plastic and they fall off the tree all the time, but I feel a little bit more confident having the glass ones here in the primary because I do have the carpet on the floor. I do have the tree on a carpet, so they should be fine. Fingers crossed. I'm going to start with this one because it does have some of my favorites. So I'm not going to be using any hooks. All I'm going to do is just put it on the tippy end and just bend them. Just bend the ends over to secure the baubles. Here I can put another one. Love dressing up my home and just making it really festive, you know? It's so much fun. It reminds me of when I was a little girl and I used to play with my dolls and all these things. But the only thing is, this house, it does come with real bills, not the paper bills that I used to play with when I was a child. But, anyways, absolutely love it. Kind of ones, they're so heavy. The other ones are light as a paper, but these glass ones are. So friends, this is it for the primary. I absolutely love the final touches that I've added to this room. I did went ahead and DIY this bow because I've been looking for a white bow, but I did not want to pay $40 for a simple white bow. So I did went ahead and DIY this bow, which I absolutely love. The back is a little bit questionable, but I love it from the front. My tree this year in the primary, I absolutely love it. These baubles, they're just so colorful and so fun. I absolutely love them. So that's it for the tree. On my nightstand, I'm absolutely loving my little Christmas tree that's there. It's so pretty at night when I do turn it on. It just gives that really pretty glow. Oh, and I forgot to mention to you, or maybe I did already, that this tree, I love the fact that it does come with an option to dim the lighting on it. So at nighttime, I just have that really cozy glow, nothing that's glaring. I just love that it does have that option, especially for the primary room when you do want to have kind of like that cozy vibe. So I absolutely love that. I did went ahead and change out my linens. I always and will forever have only white linens. I just love the look of all white on my bed. It just feels so cozy and so luxurious. So I did went ahead and change that out. Even though it's all white, I do have different textures here. So it does give a little bit of interest, which I absolutely love. I must say, I am absolutely loving my tree and all the baubles. It just came out looking so pretty. So much fun making the rooms in my upstairs area a little bit more festive for this season. Just the slight little touches that I've added. I absolutely love them. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.